All right, what is up, y'all? So we are back with another episode of Brutally Simple Cooking. Today, we got a recipe we're so excited to share. It's one of the best things that we've had recently, and it is our Brutally Simple Bacon Chicken Salad. Now, I'm sure you remember eating chicken salad when you were growing up, but you probably forgot all about it, because now that you're in the know, you know that most mayonnaise is made with bad ingredients. So we're bringing back chicken salad with style and brutal simpleness. And it's gonna be better than what you remember chicken salad ever being. Now remember what brutally simple cooking means. It means starting with real food first, simple in ingredients and simple processes. And pro tip, make sure that you have mise en place, everything in its place. You got everything laid out, so you're not running to the grocery store last minute because you forgot something. So let's see what we need for this amazing recipe. All right, so check it out. Let's make sure that we have everything. We've got the star of the show, which is the chicken. And here we have a rotisserie chicken. It's the only pro tip. I recommend using a rotisserie chicken versus some other kind of chicken because it serves multiple purposes, which we'll show you here in a few. Next, we've got a half a pack of bacon or a half a pound of bacon. You can't really go wrong with the bacon. I'd say about a half a pound, half a pack. You could say maybe like 6 to 10 strips. And then for seasonings, we've always got some unrefined salt. We've got some black pepper. Now we've got the mayonnaise. Now the mayo needs to be an approved mayo. We've got 2 different kinds. I got to use the rest of this Chosen Foods version up right here, which is an avocado-based one. And then I'm going to finish it up with some Primal Kitchen avocado mayo. Now, you also want a mustard. This can be a spicy mustard, a Dijon mustard, a brown mustard, a whole grain mustard. It doesn't matter, whatever you got in the fridge. Right now, we just happen to have some stone ground mustard left over in the fridge. We're gonna be using that. Now, next, we want some ranch dressing or something creamy like a Caesar dressing. I've got some Primal Kitchen ranch dressing right here we're gonna use. We're gonna do 1/4 of an onion. I know that's a half. We're gonna cut that in half. For a little bit of sweet, we're gonna use either an apple or you can also use a little bit of some sweet pickles. For equipment, we've got an amazing carving board. Pro tip, I recommend having something really large. I love this OXO large carving board so you have a lot of space. You'll need a chef knife, a peeler, a 1/2 cup and 1/4 cup measuring cups. And pro tip, you always want a stack of measuring bowls because you never know what you're gonna need to throw in these bowls. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is throw the bacon in the oven at 360 degrees. Next, we're gonna debone the chicken. This is how I debone a chicken. Now, you'll notice as I'm deboning, I got 3 piles here. I'm doing a chicken skin pile, I'm doing chicken pile, and I'm doing a bone pile. Now, as you do the chicken pile, pro tip, to make your recipe a little bit easier, go ahead and try to shred the chicken as much as you can with your fingers. Also, pro tip, make sure you get every bit of meat off of the bones. What you can do is just rub your fingers and thumbs into the bone and just kind of push the meat off of it. Again, every one of these little crevices, you can just drive your thumb, push some meat out so that you get all that good meat off the bone. And again, as we're doing this, we're pre-shredding the chicken. Get every last piece of meat off the bone. All right, so now that we got everything deboned, we're gonna use this meat for the recipe. We're gonna use these bones for chicken stock later. We're just gonna put these in the bag they came in. And as we're doing that, we're checking for meat that we missed. Now here's a bonus. Every time you come across one of these ends of the bone that's soft enough to chew, you wanna bite that off. When you do that, you're getting all that bone, all that cooked marrow in there. Now remember, for the stock that you'll make later, you want the hard cartilage because that dissolves into the water. Now you just got a nutritional upgrade by eating the ends of the bones and the marrow. We'll go ahead and put this in our bone bag. Now the skin, we're gonna save because we're either gonna bake it in the oven and make it crispy or put it in the skillet and heat it up until it's crispy, and it is so freaking good. Now we've got our chicken that's relatively shredded, and now we want to shred it some more. So we're going to take our big ass knife, we're going to chop it up. Now every now and then you'll find a bone in there, which is great. You just pull it out, put it in your bone bag. Now once you've got that nice and chopped, we're going to put this into a mixing bowl. Next we're going to dice a quarter of an onion. We're going to add that to the mixing bowl. Then we're going to take our apple, if we're using an apple, which I love an apple because it's 100% real food and fresh. We're going to peel it. No need to take the sticker off because we peel the sticker. All right, then we're going to dice the apple. I like to cut it in half and cut around the core. All right, then we're going to add that to the mixing bowl. All right, now we're just going to give this just a rough mix. Now we're going to add about a half a teaspoon of salt, fresh pepper, as much pepper as you want or like. Then we want a heaping half cup of mayo. I'm going to finish up this Chosen Foods mayo and see if that's enough. I'm going to finish it off with the Primal Kitchen mayo. Heaping half cup. Pro tip, heaping means more than a half cup. And then we're going to add that to the mixing bowl. Now we're going to add a quarter cup of ranch dressing. It's okay if you go a little bit over. Then I'd say about 1/8 of a cup or a huge squirt of your mustard. Now we can mix all that up, and the only thing we're waiting on is the bacon. All right, now that our bacon is nice and cooked, we're gonna chop this up. And then we're gonna add that to the mixing bowl. All right, now that we got the bacon, we're gonna go ahead and mix everything together. Now, if you like your chicken salad cold, you can put it in the fridge and let it cool down. That's the way I like it. Or you can eat it as is. Here we go. Ultimate taste test right here. Ultimate taste test. This is from the pickiest eater.
I am not the pickiest eater.
One of the pickiest eaters. I know it's good. I don't need confirmation, but I want to see what she reacts. This is the ultimate taste tester. Because she's actually relatively picky.
I like that. It's really good.
Now, there you have it, folks. Chicken salad like you've never had it before. Brutally simple bacon chicken salad. Now, pro tip, if someone asks you if you like chicken salad, your answer doesn't matter because you like this brutally simple bacon chicken salad.